It's January 3rd and we are heading to the Happy Place in Toronto. We're gonna go there to take some photos for my Instagram because it's my New Year's resolution to post every other day, so I need content. So that's what I'm gonna do today, and then we're gonna go meet up with Kogi and some other cosplayers that we know at Coco's, and then we are going to go ramen with some other friends, and then that's it. That's the day. That's what we're doing today. So awkward. Everyone's just standing there watching.
Have some happy pills.
They have little happy faces on them.
What? What the fuck?
They're so good. It is so pretty here. Look at this. I love this part. This is really pretty as well. I would have vlogged up there, but like you only get a couple minutes because there's a line forming. Okay, so we're waiting for these rooms. We just finished in the upside down room. It's so cool. Make a confetti agent. So we just finished in the light room. There's the EXO and there's a bunch of lippy kisses everywhere. Finished in the confetti room as well. So we're gonna take a couple pictures here. There's a happy sign, and then there's some more streamers over there. And then this is the cookie room. No wonder it smelled so good. The entire place is covered with cookie wallpaper. It smells so good. I look like a crazy person. So this is the last room, I think. So there's like the confetti machine thingy and then the pot of gold.
3, 2, 1, jump!
Finished. This is the last room. We took photos for about 2 hours, I think. It was really fun. I think it was worth the money. It was about like $28, $28 to $30 for entry. Technically, you're allowed to stay as long as you want, as long as you like let other people take pictures. So I think it's not too bad. So yeah, now that we're done with Happy Place, we're gonna head to Palladium or pick up Kogi, then head to Palladium, then head to Coco's to meet up with everyone else. Let's go. Bye-bye.
No sugar, no ice.
So we just met up with everyone and we finished. It was really nice seeing them all again. It's been a really long time because we always try and plan shoots and cosplays, but it never works out because we are procrastinating individuals. Oh yeah, I was telling them how like this for the New Year's, like I'm gonna start streaming again, and then when I said that, everyone like started clapping. I was like, what the fuck? So we are now in the restaurant. It's called Sansote Ramen. What are you getting?
I'm getting gyudon.
all for today's vlog. I am finally home. Thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to subscribe, leave a like, and if you have any suggestions for my next video, definitely comment it down below and I will see if I can get to it. Thank you guys. Love you. Mwah! Bye.